Welcome back to Best Tech Gallery. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning with a focus on the best Shark vacuum models. If you're on the hunt for top-notch suction and convenience, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 1. The Shark NV356E, the game changer in home cleaning. Shark, this vacuum is a beast when it comes to tackling dirt and debris. With its powerful suction and versatile attachments, it devours dust bunnies and pet hair like a champ. What sets it apart? The XL Dust Cup, which means fewer emptying trips. Maneuverability? On point. It effortlessly glides around furniture and gets into tight spaces with ease. And the HEPA filter? Say goodbye to allergens. It's the ultimate cleaning sidekick for a spotless home. Trust me, this Shark vacuum is a cleaning superstar you won't want to miss out on. Number 2. The Shark NV352. Shark, if you're on a quest for the ultimate cleaning companion, look no further. This powerhouse vacuum is a game changer in the world of cleanliness. With its sleek design and unrivaled suction power, it effortlessly banishes dust, crumbs, and pet hair from your floors. The NV352's versatile attachments make it a true all-in-one solution, tackling carpets, hardwood, and tight corners with ease. But what truly sets it apart? The HEPA filter technology, ensuring your home is not just clean, but also allergen-free. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to a spotless haven with the Shark NV352. Cleaning has never been this satisfying. Number 3. The Shark SV1106, a game changer in the world of vacuuming. This sleek powerhouse of a machine redefines cleaning with its unmatched performance. Say goodbye to dust and debris as Shark's SV1106 effortlessly transforms your space. With its cutting-edge technology, this vacuum glides seamlessly across any surface, leaving it spotless. The powerful suction ensures every nook and cranny is cleaned to perfection. And the best part? Its cordless design grants you the freedom to roam, making cleaning a breeze. The Shark SV1106 is a must-have for anyone who craves cleanliness without the hassle. Say hello to a cleaner, happier home with Shark SV1106. Number 4. The Shark HV322, a vacuum that's redefining the cleaning game. This powerhouse from Shark is a game changer. It effortlessly sucks up dirt, debris, and pet hair like a champ, leaving your floors spotless. The convenience it offers is unmatched, thanks to its lightweight design and swivel steering. No corner goes untouched. And the best part? The HV322 is a beast when it comes to deep cleaning carpets. With this vacuum, you're not just cleaning, you're giving your home a makeover. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to a sparkling clean space. Shark has truly outdone themselves with this one. Number 5. The Shark IZ362H vacuum, a game changer in the world of cleaning. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly tackles dust, dirt, and pet hair, leaving your floors spotless. With its lightweight design and versatile attachments, it's a breeze to maneuver around tight spaces and high corners. But what truly sets it apart is the hypervelocity technology, which ensures maximum suction power for unmatched cleaning performance. Say goodbye to stubborn messes and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. The Shark IZ362H is a must-have for anyone who craves cleanliness without the hassle. Get ready to be wowed. Number 6. The Shark IZ483H, a vacuum that's revolutionizing the way we clean. Tornado with its sleek design and powerful suction, this bad boy means business. Say goodbye to dirt, dust, and pesky pet hair in a flash. It effortlessly tackles every surface, from hardwood to carpet, leaving them spotless and refreshed. The cordless convenience is a game changer, allowing you to roam freely without any restrictions. Plus, its lightweight build makes cleaning a breeze. But here's the real game changer. The HEPA filter captures allergens, ensuring your home's air is as clean as your floors. Cleaning has never been this easy or efficient. Join the Shark IZ483H revolution today. Number 7. The Shark IZ862H, a game changer in the world of vacuuming. This sleek and powerful beast from Shark is a cleaning marvel. With its unmatched suction power and innovative features, this vacuum makes cleaning a breeze. Say goodbye to pesky dirt and dust hiding in corners. The Shark IZ862H effortlessly sucks them all in. Its compact design and easy maneuverability let you tackle every nook and cranny. Plus, the HEPA filter ensures your home is not just clean, but also allergen-free. Trust me, this vacuum is a cleaning game changer you won't want to miss. Make your home sparkle with the Shark IZ862H. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best Shark vacuum for your cleaning needs, it's all about finding the right balance of power, versatility, and convenience. With a variety of excellent options on the market, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your home. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video helped you make an informed decision.